My name is Mir Usman Farooq. I'm one of the selectees of JKSSB FAA recruitment process. Sir, I directly want to address LG sir. I want to quote Allama Iqbal, rahmatullah alayh. He said that मुझे इधर उधर की ना सुना, मुझे ये बता काफिला क्यों लुटा, मुझे रहजनों से गिला नहीं, तेरी रहबरी का सवाल है. Sir, what's happening here? This is ironic that we are the selectees. We are the candidates who got selected on the merit, and we are being punished here. We are suffering. Look at us. Look at our situation, sir. We are here for 3 days. We didn't eat nothing. So that's a good point. But the thing is, we didn't get any statement from the officials about whether they are scrapping it, they're going for the inquiry, or what was happening. We need assurance from the LG sir that they are not scrapping it. If there are fraudulent elements, just get them out, just filter them out. It's about 972 candidates, that's all. It's so easy to, you have resources. You can easily filter and scrutinize each one of us. We're here. If we were culprits, why would we stand here for 3 days?
That we will sort out all that thing.
We need the same statement, exactly. I agree 110% with the sir. I agree completely. But I want the same statement in written. I want the same statement, not orally at all. Because this is not a document. I want it published somewhere. I want to see it. I want to witness it. Just give us what we want, what we deserve.
You
We're
received any order in this regard?
No order at all, not a single statement from any higher official that we can believe. No single statement from them. This is ridiculous.
LG साहब इंसाफ करो, LG साहब इंसाफ करो, सिलेक्शन